Hello once again, my name is Wilfred, and this session we are going to talk about the diatonic 7th chords. Diatonic 7th chords. So what are diatonic 7th chords? They are a set of chords that are built using the notes of a diatonic scale. In music theory, diatonic scale is a 7-note scale that consists of a specific pattern of whole steps and half steps. When you harmonize this scale, you can create a diatonic 7th chord by stacking thirds of each scale degree. These diatonic 7th chords are commonly used in various styles of music and provide the foundation for chord progressions within a given key. So here are the diatonic 7th chords that correspond to each degree of a major scale. So in the key of C, our major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, that's our major scale. So when we talk about the diatonic 7th chord, it means we are stacking the third of each degree. So the first example will be to pick the C, we stack the third, we stack the third of the third, then the third of the fifth. This gives you the major 7th chord and the first degree of the diatonic scale. Sorry, this gives you the major 7th chord and it's the diatonic, the first degree of the diatonic chord. Okay, so you pick, first of all, you look for your major scale, then you pick the third. So you pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip. That's the concept. So you pick, you skip the second degree, you pick, you skip the next, you pick, you skip, you pick. Okay. That becomes your first chord in the diatonic scale, your major 7th chord. So that's the C, E, G, B. Okay. So let's move to the second one. So we are still working with the same scale. We are not picking any notes beyond the scale that we have. So we pick our second scale, which is a 2, our second degree, which is a 2, and D. So you pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes your 2. And this is a minor 7th chord. So a minor 7th chord. Your 1 was a major 7th chord. The 2 is a minor 7th chord. Now let's check for our 3. So this is our third degree. So we pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. That gives us a minor 7th chord as well. So this is an E minor 7th chord. The first one was a C major 7th, D minor 7th, E minor 7th chord. Okay, our next chord is the 4th. Pick our 4th degree. Pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes our 4th 7th chord, and it's a major 7th chord. So it's our F major 7th chord. Our next chord is the 5th chord. So we pick our 5th degree. Pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes our dominant 7th chord. Dominant 7th chord. So it's the G dominant 7th chord. Okay. The next chord is the 6th degree, which is the key of A. So we pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This gives us a minor chord. So it becomes our A minor 7th chord. Then the last key in the degree is the key of B. So we pick, skip, pick, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This will give us our half diminished 7th chord. It's also called the minor 7 flat 5 chord. So minor 7 flat 5 chord. Okay. Let's try and get these same chords in another key so that you see how simple it is. So let's say the key of F. We look for our major scale first. So our major scale in F is F, G, A, E flat, C, D, E, F. If you are not familiar with how we came about this scale, you can refer to any of our previous lessons. You'll have a detail on how we formulate these scales from the keys. Okay, so that's our F major scale. So we are using the same concepts like we did in the key of C to get our diatonic 7th chord for the first scale or the first degree. We pick our first note, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. So this gives us our major 7th chord. So that's our F major 7th chord. Okay, now we pick our second degree. Remember, we are working within the scale. That's why we are picking these notes. So we pick our second degree. We pick, skip, pick. So in C, we're doing all white keys because the major scale falls on all the white keys. But in the key of F, we have the B flat as part of the major scale. And that is why we pick here, we skip, and then we pick here. We are not picking here, we are picking here because this is not part of the major scale. B is not part of the major scale. The B flat is part of the major scale. So we pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. So this becomes our second degree dominant 7th chord. And this is a G minor 7th chord. So G minor 7th chord. Our third degree, A. So we pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes our A minor chord, A minor 7th chord. Okay. Our fourth degree, that's our B flat. So we pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes our B flat major 7th chord. B flat major 7th chord. We move to our 5th degree, which is the C. We pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. So this becomes our C dominant 7th chord. C dominant 7th chord. Then we move to our 6th degree, which is the key of D. We pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. Then this becomes our D minor 7th chord. D minor 7th chord. Our 7th degree, we pick, skip, pick, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. This becomes our E half diminished 7th chord. So E half diminished 7th chord. So if you notice very well from our first example in a second, you notice that every time the 1 is a major 7th chord. The 2 is a minor 7th chord. The 3 is also a minor 7th chord. The 4 is a major 7th chord. The 5 is always a dominant 7th chord. The 6 is a minor 7th chord. And the 7, it's a half diminished 7th chord. You can do this in all the other keys. So a quick example, let's try and practicalize this or put it in a progression and see how it sounds. So we are doing a 1 5 6 4 progression. So in the key of C, we are doing a 1 5 6 4 progression, and we are going to use or apply the 7th chords, the diatonic 7 chords. Okay, so remember, like I said, R1 will be a major 7th chord, R5 will be a dominant 7th chord, R6 will be a minor 7th chord, and R4 will be a major 7th chord. Okay, so R1. Okay, then R5, dominant 7th chord, R6, minor 7th chord, and R4, major 7th chord. So normally when you use this kind of chords, it makes your play very full. Unlike maybe you would have done this. Okay, so you are just fattening up your chords to make it sound nicer and richer. So okay, and you can always do the inversions. Okay, so for example, like for the major 7th chord, for the 1, you can always invert it anyhow. Okay, to make it sound nicer. So we could do this for our 1. Then for our 5, which is this, the dominant chord, we can also invert it and do this. Okay, so we do our 1, then we do our 5, then we do our 6, which is a minor 7th chord. So this is it. We could do this, and then we do our 4, which is a major 7th chord. So we can do this. So our 1, 5, 6, then 4. Okay. Let's try this in the key of F. So our 1, 5. Then 6. Then our 4.